Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Irish brown bread. So this does require one special ingredient, and that is going to be whole wheat flour. I think that if you don't use the whole wheat flour, it won't be brown bread. So we're just going to do 4 cups of this whole wheat flour in a bowl. And this bread recipe is really easy to make. It doesn't take a lot of work. And then we're going to add 3 tablespoons of sugar. It's actually kind of minimal ingredients too. Like there's no yeast or anything like that. You're going to add a pinch of salt, and then we're going to add some baking soda and baking powder. And we're doing a wet-dry deal, as you do most of the time when you're making baked goods. So you want to mix all your dry ingredients together, and then you just want to give those a mix. And make a little well in the bottom. And then you're going to add some buttermilk to that and some vegetable oil. Mix that all together. And you just want to mix it up until it forms a shaggy dough, until it just kind of comes together. Because then we're going to turn it out and we're going to knead it a few times. And we're only going to knead it 10 to 12 times just until it comes together. We're not going to knead it until it's smooth or anything like that. The bread recipe is just really simple. We're just kind of kneading it until it comes together. And once it gets to about this point, this is where we're going to turn it out. And you just want to flour your board, your working surface, just a little bit, just so it doesn't stick. It doesn't have to be a ton of flour. And then, like I said, we're just going to knead this probably 10 to 12 times, just until the dough is not crumbly like that anymore, just until it holds together. And if chunks fall off, just pick them up, stuff them back in there. Mom did some kneading in the bowl as well. So we're going to score the top, and you could do any scoring pattern that you want. You don't want to go down too far into the bread, maybe a 1/4 inch. And then you're going to bake that at 400 for 40 minutes. And there it is, all done. If you want to see more, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.